for me very nicely. All right, so this is, was this problem number 2? Thevenin. Yes, Thevenin for current source. So we are going to do this problem right here. Okay, remind myself that we are being recorded. Okay, right here is 10 milliamps. And we are right here. What is that? 900. Okay. It's here, and this guy is 1.5K. And here is 500 ohms. And he is 900 ohms. And this guy right here is RL. Okay? Can you guys see that? It's a little. I don't know if it's any better. Can you guys see that?
Really blurry.
It's a little blurry on this one, isn't it? How about there? Does it do any better? Maybe I moved it. Don't move it. Is that better? Huh?
Looks like it doesn't want to focus. Maybe if you put the camera exactly parallel with the surface.
What camera? This guy?
Yeah, at the top, so it's flat parallel.
Okay. You mean like that?
Yeah, so that way it's like focusing on everything. Because the part that's closer to you is closer to the piece of paper, but the part of the camera that's further away is further away, so it's not the same view.
So how do I do it? Just straight come? Somebody can come and do it. That's fine.
I think possibly if you.
Ooh, I think it is. I think
you
that's
know,
good.
It just needs to be like.
Wow. Like standing up.
Just needs to be flat.
Okay, remember that. Remember that, Stuart, because I'm going to forget it. All right, very good. Is that good? I think that's a little better than it was before. It was having a really hard time. All right. So let's do that. Thank you. Like I said, I'm still learning about this thing. So number 1, Thevenin, we are going to find Thevenin. Thevenin steps. So we are going to find Thevenin. And Thevenin, we're going to get rid of RL. I forgot get rid of RL. Well, get rid of RL. Label and find, I guess, and find VAB. So we're going to do Thevenin. We're going to redraw this guy. Remember, we don't do that for Thevenin. Right here, these two guys are in series, right? So we're going to combine them.
3 in series.
Well, I'm just going to, am I going to combine those 3? Well, let me not combine them because I'm going to confuse you guys. Or I'm confusing myself. Alrighty, right here. So we're just going to leave him like that. 800, 1K. And then that, and that. And then we're going to leave this guy open. Right here. We're going to call him AB. This is 900. This is 500. This is 1.5K. We have 10 milliamps. So we are going to come out of here. These guys are in series. They're all IT. At this point, what happens?
Current splits. You can't split. There's not open.
So current goes down, around, and comes back. Here is an open, so there is no current. We have the same scenario as we had before. You're going to see this quite often. Okay? Still not very focused. Anyway, we'll play with him. We changed it and it got confused. So here, he's not there anymore. Yes? Okay. So the current across here is Thevenin. So Thevenin is going to be across what? Across what? 900. So Thevenin is across 900. Yes? So Thevenin. Can I do focus maybe? Okay. Is it my eyes? Maybe it's my eyes. I don't know.
Yeah, it's that,
It's what?
it's out of focus, but I mean, we're almost done. So.
Okay. I changed it and I think it got confused. Thevenin. Oh! Thevenin. Look at that. I was going to do the voltage divider rule. Do we need to do the voltage divider rule? No. It's going to be what? I times 900, right? Yes? Yeah, because it's going to be different. So I is 10 milliamps times 900 is going to be what? 9 volts. So that's what that guy is. I'm going to mess with it, guys. I don't know if it's any better. 9 volts, yes? Okay. R Thevenin. So R Thevenin, remember what we do? We're going to replace the current source by what? Open. Replace. Oh, that's terrible. When you run out of room. Replace current source by an open and find the resistance, right? And then find R Thevenin between point A and B as seen by the load. There you go, sorry. I can't see myself. So let's do R Thevenin. Okay, so I'm going to have an open. We're going to have that guy, that guy, that guy, that guy, and then this guy. Oh my gosh, did you see that? What is this? That's an open right there. You guys see that? Our life is so much easier, hopefully. So what's RT? 1.4K. Kilo ohm, 500, 900, right? So remember my imaginary battery right here that we're not supposed to have, in case you forgot? IT. And at this point right here, he's going to want to go this way, but guess what? There's an open. So current is equal to 0. So none of these guys are there. And all my current just comes straight back here. So R Thevenin is equal to 1.4 kilo ohms. Yes? So the final answer to this, 3.
Why is it 1.4?
Because the 500 and the 900 are in series. Because this is open, so there's no current.
Okay.
Okay?
I thought it was an 800.
I'm sorry?
That is not an 8 instead of
Oh, okay. And then the final answer is always Thevenin, R Thevenin, and then RL. R Thevenin is equal to 1.4 kilo ohms. And then his Thevenin, we said it was 9 volts. Don't put the wrong one, okay? Don't put 10 milliamps or whatever. And then the final answer I'm going to ask you. This is going to be your final answer. If they ask you, what value is RL to get maximum power transfer? What is it? 1.4K. RL should equal to R Thevenin. That's it. We can do more problems on Wednesday, but we need to cover Norton. Okay? So I'm going to stop him. And then anybody